So you finally showed up. You're late. Your hair is not growing, sis. I'm sorry to tell you. And I'm gonna give you 4 reasons why. Come closer. Closer. Wait. Too close. Right there. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey, like, subscribe. If you are returning, welcome back. Anyway, let's get into this video. Hair growth. Why is your hair not growing? I'm gonna give you 4 reasons, most important reasons to me, why your hair is not growing. Okay, reason number 1, your hair lacks moisture. You need to moisturize like your life depends on it, okay? Like, you cannot go days without putting anything in your hair and expect it to grow. Hair is like a plant. If you don't water your plants, what happens? They don't grow. Conditioning regularly also falls into the category of moisturizing to me. Using essential oils, using creams, butters, all that. Put it in your hair. Shea butter is my go-to for 4C, all my 4C ladies. I love shea butter. And I usually seal it with Brazil nut oil or coconut oil, any oil, honestly. But I pretty much put some type of oil or some type of moisturizer in my hair every single day. So moisturize it. Number 2, you're not drinking enough water. If you don't drink water, your body is not, your body's not gonna do what it's supposed to do. You need to drink water. And this even goes beyond hair. Drinking water helps with your nails, your skin, to function, to get up and move. You need to drink water. Like I said previously, your hair is literally like a plant. And what happens when you don't water plants? They don't grow. So you need to drink water, get it in your body. I have my bottle right here as I'm recording this video. I try to fill it up 3 times a day. And I'm not even gonna be one to lie. Like, I have my days, or even sometimes a week, where I know I did not drink enough water. But like, if my hair feels dry and brittle, I know why. It's my fault. It's my fault. Number 3, you are not oiling your scalp regularly. I usually oil my scalp every single night, I would say, or every other night. My favorite oils are wild growth oil, castor oil, but I make sure to oil my scalp because a dry scalp means an irritated scalp. And to me, like, the hair's just not gonna come out if there's no oil on the scalp. The oil is like the fertilizer for a plant. And I'm sorry for using all these plant references, but that's just how I see hair. Make sure you even like massage it, like get all in there. Even 5 minutes of your day. It's just 5 minutes of your day. Number 4, not protective styling / over manipulating your hair. So in order for hair to grow, for natural hair, even kinkier hair, this is key for kinkier hair, you need to have your hair in a protective style. Now I know you want to like out and loose, but like it's just not, we can't have it like that all the time. Your ends, your strands, they need to be protected. They need to be in something where they're not like just free to snap and break. You need a protective style, whether it's twists, braids, cornrows. You need to have some protective style in for some period of time. You cannot be playing in your hair every day or trying like different styles every day. It's just not gonna work. It's a blessing like that we don't have to do wild stuff with our hair all the time. We can just like leave it and let it be. But don't do anything too that is too tight or gonna put too much like strain on your edges, because we want to keep those. So make sure your protective style is also a good protective style for your hair as well. And I'll go over that in another video, like my favorite most useful, I guess I'd say. But anyway, my favorite protective styles that actually grow your hair. Guys, those are my 4 reasons why your hair is not growing. Short, simple, straight to the point, nothing too excessive. Honestly, growing your hair, it It can be difficult when you're learning your hair in the beginning, but once you've got it figured out, it's pretty easy. And once it starts growing and you're retaining length, it's upward from there. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think. Bye.